Hello everyone, welcome to Clean Tech Nap with a brand new video for today. And if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel and share the video everyone. Okay, so without further more delay, let's go to the today's chapter. So we are in the series number 11. Okay, so today's topic is about steel polishing and the SOP. Okay, so the purpose of steel polishing is to remove dust, dirt and stain from the surfaces of steel. Okay, also to leave surface clean, tidy and hygiene all the time, to maintain quality and standard of level as well. Okay, so for this job, what are the materials we require are microfiber blue cloths, your personal protective equipment, your water spray bottle, your feather duster and signboard, and your steel polish chemical and steel polish sponge. Okay, so for this we have some procedures that we need to follow to complete this task. Okay, first of all, once you receive your job, you need to proceed to your storeroom, switch on the light, check all the floor, ventilation, paste inspection and maintenance faulty. If there is any faulty, then you need to report to your supervisor. Okay, once you done that one, then you wash your hand properly with the soap, make it dry, check any cuts or wounds and report to your supervisor, and take required first aid if there is any cut or injuries on your hands. Afterwards, you wear your proper PPE such as disposable gloves, dust mask, eye goggles, etc. After that, you need to collect all your materials, chemical, then you proceed to your workplaces. Okay, once you reach to your workplace, first of all you need to place your signboard to make people aware. Okay, after that you need to check all the areas. If there are any defect or any faulties, you just report to your supervisor. Okay, after then only you can use your microfiber blue cloth and do dusting of steel surfaces with the S or 8 safe. Okay, if steel surfaces are higher level, then you can use your feather duster as well to do dusting. Okay, after you finish your dusting, then you can use your water spray bottle with another microfiber blue cloth and you can do damp wiping of the surfaces. Okay, once all the area that you have done damp wiping, once it get dried, then you can use your steel polish chemical with the sponge. Okay, you just need to use your chemical with the sponge and you just apply all the steel areas where we are doing steel polishes. Okay, and keep continuing all the area with the same process until you finish or you cover all the areas. Okay, once all the job has been completed, then you need to do double checking of the area. If there, once you double check the area and after the area is dry and clean, then only you can remove your signages and you can proceed to your cleaning storeroom. Once you reach to your storeroom, then you need to do clearing of your equipments. Okay, so whatever dust, whatever garbage you collected from your workplace, you need to discard on appropriate garbage bin area. Okay, check and inspect all the equipment. That after that, once you have used, you need to check all the equipments. Okay, remove dust, dirt from the equipment and clean it properly. Okay, once you clean it properly, then you need to keep it stored, arrange properly for the next use. Okay, to complete this all tasks, remember all the time health and safety rules to be followed all the times. Okay, so with this information we end the session for today, and I believe that this session gave you some good information regarding the topic that we discussed on this video. And if you guys have missed my other videos as well, you can find out all the link in this video's description. You can find out there and you can check it out as well. And at the end of the session, if you guys have not subscribed yet my channel, please make sure to subscribe it.